All right, joining us now is Robert Andrews with the Institute of Sports Performance. He helped Simone Biles mentally prepare for world competitions from 2013 to 2017. Robert, thank you so much for being with us. First, I want to know your reaction to Simone's testimony today.
It was gut-wrenching on one level because I watched all four of them. But the first thing I want to say is just how proud I am of her and how courageous she is. And to go back through all that again must have just been incredibly painful for her and all those other brave young women.
So you work with high-performing athletes. What do people need to understand when it comes to gymnastics culture and mental health?
It's changing and evolving slowly. You know, I talked to a lot of coaches around the country, a lot of parents. It is changing. It's not changing in the right places fast enough. Issues around sexual abuse, psychological, mental, emotional, physical abuse are still prevalent. They're reported. There's still not much being done in the non-sexual abuse cases. I think that's their priority, so to speak, although not a lot's being done there either. But I talk to parents and gymnasts all the time who have horrific relationship with coaches, and they get a slap on the wrist or nothing, or a report to Safe Sport and nothing happens. And so I've been beating this drum since 2012, and I'm still very, very frustrated with the whole culture.
So you're mentioning parents. What is your advice to them if they have athletes of any age?
Well, if they're participating in a sport, then look for warning signs that something's going on. And it could be changes in their mood, their behavior, their affect, their personality. If they're crying on the way to practice, those aren't signs that they're weak. That means something's going on. And so listen to those and sit down and talk to them, validate them. Unfortunately, we live in a culture where I hear parents all the time say, well, in this family, once we start something, we're going to finish it. And I'll say, so your son or daughter is being psychologically abused, but you're gonna ride this out another 3 or 4 months. And so revisit your family rules around that is a really strong piece of advice I offer.
Yeah, you make some really good points there. Robert Andrews, thank you so much.